Welcome to Disney This Day. I'm Egon Bonkers. And on this day in 1984, the very first Touchstone Pictures film, Splash, was released. Splash was directed by Ron Howard and starred Tom Hanks, Daryl Hannah, John Candy, and Eugene Levy. Tom Hanks' character falls in love with a mermaid when she saves him from drowning, first as a boy, and then again 20 years later. She seeks him out in New York City, but has to hide her big secret. Touchstone Pictures was Disney's label for movies outside of the G rating. Hard to believe it was 40 years ago this movie came out. Have you seen it? Did you love it? I can't say that I've seen it yet. Anyway, have a magical day!